So here we are told Amigo is a backup. Okay, so since the challenge is called chips, we can try to search for Amigo's chips. Okay, so let me just go on my browser. Don't know why my PC is slow. Maybe it's overheating. Okay, so let me just go back on Google. I'll use Google. Then I'll say Amigo chips, because the challenge is called chips and they are saying Amigo is a backup. Okay, so you can see we have something like that. Okay, then let's continue looking at the challenge so we see if there's something which is interesting. So let's see the question. What was the passphrase used? So wherever you just see passphrase, just know they use the particular password on a certain file. So we need to go on files, we see if we can download the file. So we have chips.jpg, which is an image. So this will take us to steganography. So that's how we need to be thinking. Okay, so I've downloaded this. So because I've already understood what I need to do, I'll just make sure I go back here. We can see we have this image called chips, but it has a passphrase based on the challenge. So here I'll go back in sokonalysis, Ctrl H, home, then I'll go on CTF, then now I'll go in steganography. Then we need to extract data because we're given some data in a particular file. So first of all, I need to configure web list. Okay, so to do that, I'll go and configure the web list settings. Then here I'll need to drag the web list which I'm using. So here I won't say I will know to access a web list. By now everyone knows how to access a web list. So I'll just configure this web list. Then I'll make sure I drag that image which is called chips. Okay, then we are told to say what was the passphrase used, meaning we're expecting to find a password. So I'll say brute force. No wonder we are adding a web list so that we brute force the password. Then I'll say start brute force. So as we are waiting for this to crack now, okay, so you can see it's Drake 06. So I'll get this password which is Drake 06. Then I'll try to submit here as my first flag for question 1, which is correct. So going to question 2, what is the challenge flag? Okay, now whenever we have a passphrase, we need to use it to extract some data which was hidden. That's the whole point. So here now I'll go back on the setup, then I'll say known password. So let me show the password. So I'll use the password for which I've found, then I'll extract with the password. So now we have something we are saying, don't even recognize none of these names at the top of the charts. I looked. So this is a statement. Now the end is saying the flag is here 512 hash for the song's genius URL. So hint, the passphrase tell you the track number. Now the passphrase is saying Drake 06, meaning 06 is track number 6 and the artist is what? Drake. Now these lyrics can help us to find the song. Okay, so first of all we'll copy this URL, then we'll go here on Google, then we'll say Drake, then we'll just paste those lyrics so that we see. So you can see the song is called Shabang, and these are the lyrics. Okay, so now let's see, after we've realized that okay, this is the song, so you can see the song is Shabang, which is track number 6 based on the hint again. So this makes sense now. So what are they saying? So the flag is the hash comma track number. So it's the share 512 for the genius URL. So you can see here we're on genius, then just get this URL, Then once we get the URI now, we need to hash it. So I'll say control H, then I'll go on hashing, then I'll just say we need to generate the hash, okay, for here. So we generate the hash, which is here 52 of us, they are saying. Then this is our input, then we generate the hash. So we get this string. Then we try to submit now. So let's see where we're submitting from. So we say submit. Incorrect flag. Let's see. Oh, the format. The format, it was, I've forgotten even the format. Let me go back. The format. Okay, we have the hash now, which is good. We have the hash. So let's go back to CTF, steganography, extract. So we are saying hash comma track number. So flag hash comma. Okay, so we say flag hash comma track number, which is 6. And then like that. Okay, now we've solved it.